To make a payment with a Banco Sabadell fixed deposit, start by understanding what a fixed deposit is. A fixed deposit is a type of savings account where you deposit a sum of money for a fixed period of time, earning a fixed interest rate. First, ensure you have a fixed deposit account with Banco Sabadell. If you don't have one, you can open it by visiting a Banco Sabadell branch or through their online platform. Once you have your account, you need to have sufficient funds in it to make a payment. To make a payment, log into your Banco Sabadell online banking account or visit a branch. If you are using online banking, navigate to the Payments section and select the type of payment you want to make, such as a transfer to another account or a bill payment. Enter the payment details, including the amount, the recipient's account number, and any other required information. Confirm that the details are correct to avoid any errors. If you are making a payment from a branch, let the bank representative know that you want to make a payment from your fixed deposit account. Provide them with the payment details and they will guide you through the process. Before confirming the payment, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Also, check the interest rate and any applicable fees associated with the payment. Once you have confirmed the payment, the funds will be deducted from your fixed deposit account and transferred to the recipient's account. You will receive a confirmation of the payment, which you should keep for your records. It is essential to note that making a payment from a fixed deposit account may affect the interest earned on your deposit. Additionally, some fixed deposit accounts may have penalties for early withdrawal, so it is crucial to review the terms and conditions of your account before making a payment. In conclusion, making a payment with a Banco Sabadell fixed deposit is a straightforward process that can be done online or at a branch. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can easily make a payment from your fixed deposit account. Remember to always review the payment details and terms and conditions of your account to avoid any errors or penalties.